Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to find your archived chats on the WhatsApp app for PC after the new update. WhatsApp's desktop version has recently changed how it organizes chats, and that's left many users wondering, where did the archived messages go? Don't worry, in just a few steps, you'll be able to access them without any trouble. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and connected to the same account as your phone. Once the app loads, you'll see your list of chats on the left side of the screen. Now, look closely at the left sidebar. Right below your profile picture or at the top of your chat list, you'll find a section labeled Archived. It might be a little subtle at first, especially if you haven't archived any conversations recently, but it's there. Click on Archived. The moment you do, WhatsApp will open a dedicated space showing all your archived conversations. This is where the app keeps any chat you previously chose to hide from your main list, whether it's an individual or group chat. From here, scroll through the list to find the chat you're looking for. Once you locate it, simply click to open and read the conversation just like any other chat. If you wish to move it back to your main chat list, send a new message in that chat or right-click and select the option to unarchive chat. It's that simple. With this new update, WhatsApp keeps archived messages cleanly organized and easily accessible, so you never lose track of important conversations. So, next time you can't find an old chat on WhatsApp for PC, remember it's just a few clicks away under the archive section. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and check out more tutorials like this one to stay updated with the latest WhatsApp features.